All right, well, I think we're ready. You've got your time lapse already going. Sky is really clear. I don't see a cloud in the sky.
Right.
So hopefully we'll get some good shots.
Excited. I am pumped. All right, here we are again. August 2024. Back on the trail. It's been, what? Almost a year since the two of us have gone out. We're at Nordhouse Dunes again. Doing seems to be our MO lately, a shorter trip or a easier trip, but got a bunch of stuff in store for this trip. Be a lot of relaxing. We've just been a busy summer and ready to spend some time hanging out and just being, but
That's where it all began.
it's true. That's very true. Yeah, coming back. I mean, is this the last time we've not been here together since then, have we?
Nope.
No. Okay. Yeah. That's so true. Well,
And that was what, like January 2020?
yeah. That was like a month before COVID broke out. So anyway, our plan is to hike out to the beach and then head south from there just to try to find a little bit of privacy down the beach somewhere and then set up camp and have an enjoyable little weekend here. So all right, we made it out to the beach. Hopefully, once we get over this ridge, the wind will be a little cooler. It's muggy.
Yeah.
Very, very muggy.
Definitely a bit.
Yeah. It doesn't even feel like hot, just muggy.
Yeah.
Just the
Yeah.
humidity. But so we're working on trying to find a campsite here on this hill, trying to scope up some spots here, but not quite finding exactly what we want, but we'll keep looking for a little bit and see if we can find something good here. Getting tired and want to be done for the day, so I mean, it only is like noon, so can't complain too much, but we'll keep making progress and hopefully find something here soon. All right, we're coming up on a clearing here and crossing our fingers we find something good. Hopefully this works out for us. We hiked probably farther than we were thinking, but saw a little patch we want to check out, see if we can find something good here. So fingers crossed. All right, so we've finally made it into camp here. Been kind of searching for the last hour. Hasn't been as much shady spots as we'd hoped for. We want to be really close to the beach, but shade and beach hasn't a great combination, so we're calling this home for tonight. It should be pretty good. We'll see what the afternoon brings and probably get something to eat here in a second, but your thoughts on the day so far?
Yeah, glad we made it to camp.
Yeah, definitely needed some water. We were a little dehydrated there for a little bit.
Good idea to grab it.
Yeah.
Looking forward to maybe a
little nap.
Afternoon siesta.
A dad nap.
Siesta in the sun.
Yeah, that's too funny.
Ground sheet clip right on your tent, right? No.
So we changed campsites. We were looking around trying to find a spot to maybe cook some dinner, and we even walked through this on our way up. We just, I don't know, we didn't think of it the first time, so. Yeah, that's true. Much closer to the beach there, and much more cool with the breeze, so very happy. It was a lot of work. We're sweaty and probably need a drink of water, but hopefully the rest of the night will be a little more restful. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's do this. Oh my god, now I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm kicking my feet out. I'm gonna let it cool off for just a second.
Nope, I'm not waiting.
No? I was like, where'd my spoon go?
Yeah. Oh, that's good. The flavor is just really good. The cream, like, of the noodles.
Oh, yep. Just like seeps into every little.
It's good. Nook and cranny. Oh my gosh.
What's for second dinner?
I'm seriously half tempted to, like, maybe make another meal.
I mean, it only took 2 minutes to boil.
I know. I mean, well, and we packed 2 per day, so this is our one day. Oh my gosh. I mean, we could make some potatoes.
That's true.
What else do we got?
That always fills up all the crevices nicely.
Right.
All right, well, I think we're ready. You've got your time lapse already going. My tripod already took one little tip, so hopefully that doesn't happen anymore.
One's enough.
Yeah, I think we're about ready. The wind has died down, so it's getting really
I know, it's
muggy.
like, it's just like sticky, just standing here.
I am not going to take my puffy jacket down yet.
No.
But yeah, sky is really clear. I don't see a cloud in the sky.
Right.
So hopefully we'll get some good shots.
Excited. I am pumped.
I didn't finish my last one. A little left in there.
How dare you? Okay, we're finally set up down here. Time lapse is going. Just kind of doing a little waiting game now, because it's going to take a couple hours to get dark or whatever.
Wait till the stars come out so I can align.
Right. So now's the time to chill, which is awesome, and just sit and relax, and go from there. Hopefully this will be cool. I'm really excited for this. Good Saturday morning. I think we got a solid 4.5 hours of sleep last night. At least that's what I kind of.
We packed up at 3.
Yeah, and I feel like I didn't really go to sleep until about 3:30.
Right.
Yeah. So about 4.5, maybe 4. Anyway, we'll
something like that.
probably get some breakfast going here soon, and then figure out what we're gonna do with our day. Probably just kind of mosey around, chill out, hang out, and enjoy being out here. Probably be a little chilly to do it now. I think once it gets hot later in the day, I might have to take a dip. Do you want any hot drink?
Yeah, maybe I'll give me those little coffee packets. Maybe I'll
Have a little coffee.
grab one of those.
That sounds real good. Think about stir and reseal, hang out for 15 minutes, think about how big the universe is. Ah, we already did that. Close to the burner. Alrighty, it's been quite a day today. we went for a nice walk this morning and saw a guy on a plane. Bunch of boats. Had some lunch and tried to sleep. I don't know, did you sleep at all?
I maybe did for a minute or two.
Okay, yep.
I was relaxed, yeah.
I dozed for a bit, but that was about it. But it's been a pretty good day.
Yeah.
In some ways, weird to have to figure out what to do sometimes. Like normal, there's more things we have to do or something, but yeah, I'd say overall this campsite's been
Yeah. Been very decent.
yeah, yep. Well, I know the trip's not done, but if you had to give your one word right now,
word.
yeah.
I would say low key.
That's a good word. Yep, that fits.
Nothing crazy, nothing extravagant.
Yeah, right.
But also very relaxed, very enjoyable.
Yeah. As weird as it sounds, the word coming to my mind is odd.
Odd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just because, I don't know, in certain ways, this just feels like we... Yeah, I mean, I know we're just camping on the beach, but it feels less backpacking trip than it does, you said yesterday, where it's more an excursion.
Yeah.
So, in terms of the culmination of our trip, this one feels like the most odd duck in some ways. I don't know. So,
Yeah, it's
not a bad thing, but just different and odd. So,
outdoor / nighttime photography excursion.
right. Yep.
Yeah.
Because we really haven't done a lot of hiking or...
No.
Yeah.
Smells good.
I know, yeah. I'm so funny how every meal it's been nah. And then as soon as we make the food, it's ooh, that smells good. Oh.
Really hoping that bald eagle can come back.
Mm-hmm. One shot, one opportunity. Nice schlop.
Yeah.
Dessert?
Yeah.
Smells good. Yeah. You can't go wrong with beefy, potatoey. Yep. It's kind of those classic flavors a little bit.
That's good.
I remember this one being good. The big chunks of beef are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Custard? Good. Meat? Good.
Yeah, it's definitely cooler than last night for sure.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not cold. Like the jacket's almost warm,
Yeah.
but I don't want to be like laying in bed trying to go to sleep and be itchy.
Sure. I think it's interesting to think that I've been outside all day today, and I think only worn shoes for maybe half hour or an hour. Been barefoot outside basically all
I
day.
don't think I put my shoes on at all today, did I?
I did one time when I got up earlier this morning, and that was it. So this is what I was looking forward to, just sitting out here. And it is kind of weird where it's like sometimes with these trips this feels like it takes like 48 hours to actually like transition a little bit, because I don't know, I don't know, like, because you're like life goes, and then you're like all of a sudden in this different environment. And now it's like I'm all of a sudden kind of used to being out here.
Yeah, I didn't mind it down here this trip.
Oh,
I was
this
just
is
trying
nice.
to keep it side or whatever. You ready? Bye, campsite. Pretty good one.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, am I recording?
Nice. Yeah. Full belly sleep good tonight. My gut's apparently empty though.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No, it's fine. I was just like, those are great poops. I wasn't complaining by any means.
Are you still recording, by the way?
Oh yeah, probably.